Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Jay Sparkle. On this channel, I do a variety of stuff, but today we are gonna be doing a clothing haul. Y'all see your girl is in some, what do you call this, corporate wear. Hey, y'all should know this by now. I'm a 9-to-5 girly, so of course this is how I normally dress to work. Mind you, I don't wear a jacket. I'm more like a semi-casual, but still has a little bit of a corporate look, if that makes sense. But guess what, guys, today's video is being brought to you by Halara, and a special thanks to Halara for sending me these beautiful clothing pieces that I'm gonna be showing y'all in today's vlog. I'm doing something that I've never done before, and I'm so excited to do this. Guess what, guys, so I ordered some pieces from Halara. Now I don't know why in my head, y'all remember I had on a little bit of extra weight, and I'm convinced that I'm an extra large, and I think I'm in denial because tell me why I'm still ordering extra large even when I lost weight. So of course I ordered the stuff, they came, and guess what? The pieces were big because I lost weight, so I couldn't fit in an extra large. So you know what I had to do? I had to reorder. But then I thought, and I'm like, you know what would be a really nice idea is to have someone in extra large and to have someone in medium to show you guys a comparison. If you're not sure, like, you know, what size would fit you, I guess showing the two different sizes, it can give you an idea to show you how it would fit different body types, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So this is where I mentioned Monique, because Monique is gonna be helping me out with this video, because the extra large pieces, I gave them to her, so she'll be modeling the extra large pieces, because she also does a 9-to-5 corporate look to go to work, so it works perfect for both of us. Are you ready? Here comes Monique.
You ready?
Yes.
I'm trying to blow that much.
Oh my god, Monique, can you? Oh, you know what, guys? This is exciting. Monique, go show them here. Oh my gosh.
So
yes.
they don't iron their clothes and they're going to work.
Monique, I'm probably never sit this one out because I know I'm guilty of it.
No, but the machine,
Oh,
in a
okay,
iron, in a straighten out and go up on the bed and little, rub it out a little bit, it crushes hell. So listen, let me tell my story. I have a Jamaican, a co-worker is a Jamaican. When I first started working there, we never talked like that. And one day she said, she was in the office and I walked in, she said, "You're Jamaican?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Why?" "Because your clothes always put together and clean, your shoes always clean."
Showing you guys the first items from Halara would be these work pants. When you can just like walk to the camera. So yeah, show
No,
them.
they're not gonna see that. It's some like
The grey pants right here. I am wearing a medium. Monique
extra large.
is wearing an extra large, and this is the exact same style. Now, what I like about this pants is the, what do you call this type, Monique? Where,
I don't know,
three-quarter. It fits, let me step back so you'll see. It fits right above the ankle. So, you know, you can dress it up if you're with your... Yes. I have like, you know, you come flat. Ballet
or loaf turns.
Yes.
Or you can do a heels, like one of those heels.
Yes. One thing I'm gonna say, guys, this is a super stretchy. Like, look at this. Like, you know, this is a comfort. Let me show you on the back. It's not a pocket, but it gives the illusion
that there's a pocket. I like these pockets because I always have stuff to put in my pocket.
Yes.
And my name tag don't go up here, always in my pocket.
Okay, so that I like
so I love it for that. And the material is like really good. Like really good, like thick material. And
if you need for Ben when you're at work, you can, you know. Let me tell you something. When I was working in Jamaica, we used to have the work clothes that we used to wear to work was the one where you go get tailored. And so I'm used to my work outfits being tailored. Like I got that from my mommy, because my mommy's a teacher, so she used to always get all her work clothes tailored. And you know, the material sometimes it wasn't the most comfortable. So you know,
material,
you have this idea.
And they used to be stiff.
Yes,
like stiff material.
They were so not listen guys, you see these?
This is really nice.
Oh my gosh.
Like proper quality. The first time I saw this, it was a quality of it
that you liked.
That I liked.
Yes.
Me, I waist it because I'm very fat. But this is how it fit. I wear something, push it inside and pull it up, and it's really comfortable and nice. I love it.
Yes,
I
it is
love
such a cute.
it.
And look, guys, you see, you can wear it with any top.
You can dress it up, or you can just go casual, like semi-casual work. Yeah, that's how I go to work most of the time, like semi-casual work.
And a cute little cardigan, you know,
right,
you don't have to be like a jacket.
Right, depending on the feeling or the weather.
The next item from Halara is this cute jacket. Now guys, this jacket is such a bright and pretty color. It definitely is giving me 9 to 5 corporate girl. I'm wearing this in an extra large, and guess what, as I said guys, this is a stretchy material. One of my favorite things about the Halara brand is that they take their customers' feedback and opinion into mind when creating all their new designs. And they have the Halara Circle event. So at Halara, they strive to understand what works best for the Halara woman. They are reimagining athleisure with crowdsourced and crowd-tested designs. They invite you to join the Halara Circle event, and that is the heart of their design process. So that's where you get to see a first look of what they're designing, what new styles they're coming up with, and it's all for free. So join the event the second Sunday. Alright guys, so here is another look from Halara. No, this is not a work look, but
That's me?
May I hear you chewing?
Alright, one time. Hungry chewing.
Alright, I couldn't second.
Talk again.
Alright guys. So Alright guys, so this is a next look from Halara. No, this is not a 9 to 5 look. This is to show you how versatile the Halara brand is. They make athleisure wear, they make 9 to 5 corporate look, and you want a simple dress down outfit for a date night, a fun girls night out. Don't worry, Halara got you, you know. They design pieces for women to give you the most comfortable looks. The shirt is an oversized shirt. This is more of a corduroy material. It's very big sleeves. I love it. No, I got this in an extra large. I could have, is this extra large? I'm not sure. Either this is large or extra large. No, I could have downsized, but I love an oversized shirt during the warmer months because I can rock this with like some jeans and some boots and call it a day. So also this cute little mini skirt, it's from Halara as well. And guess what guys, this is lined. It has a nice little, what do you call that? It has a nice little short on there, so you don't have to worry about you having a fun night out and you're dancing and what. Don't worry, your little bits won't be exposed. Are the next pants from Halara. Now listen, when I tell you these pants are so versatile, you can dress these up, dress them down, because look at these pants. This is such a breathable, flexible material. I love it. It's light. Yes. Alright, so I am wearing a size medium, and Monique
this is extra large.
So that, mighty word.
This is proper hurricane without the rain.
Alright guys, so that's what the extra large looks like. You see, Monique, how you feeling it?
Good. It's comfortable. Light, it's comfortable.
Yes.
It's really, really nice.
Alright.
I love it.
So you see the waist is super stretchy, so their sizes go from extra small to 4X. And you see, as I said guys, it fits beautiful. I love when I wear work clothes and they're
comfortable.
Because
especially if you have to walk a lot.
Yes.
It has to be comfortable, and these pants are really comfortable.
Yeah, and they're so fun, you know, like
the colors are and the colors are nice.
Look, it's popping. Like this
they're
purple,
subtle and nice.
Yeah, this purple is definitely, and really you can, as you see guys,
and I love pockets.
Yes.
Can you tell? I love pockets.
The pockets are so cute.
Yes.
And you guys see, you can dress it with different colors. Monique has on what is like a fusion.
Like a fusion.
Yeah, fusion, nice light pink, like
British.
Yeah.
Top.
Yeah.
You can put a cardigan over
it
or a jacket.
This would look so cute with a nice little and you know what, I'm looking at you and I'm like, I'm wondering if I would do like white
I don't
or
think white too light.
too light? I think?
Probably, I don't know.
Cause I don't know. I just love how the pink or the fuchsia. I feel like it tones the purple, so it would look really cute with a little jacket or cardigan. No, I am wearing it with a black top. No, actually, I think I rather the pants with a lighter color because it make guys listen to.
This is crazy.
Y'all hear the wind?
Oh my god. This is like a hurricane without the rain.
Yes, there's a wind advisory out and it's like the wind is howling, like things are. I probably should have moved my beat. So this one goes all the way down to your ankle, so that's
definitely need the heels.
Yes.
And you're long. You know what I like with this? I have issues getting pants that's long enough below my ankle to wear, like with nice heels. And this is really, really long. I can put on like a 4-inch heel with this and still feel good.
Yes.
It's
because
really
I
long.
think it's more like, what's the saying? It's like some pants you have to, a lot of the pants sometimes they're not tall girl friendly.
Right.
So I love that the Halara pants, they are
this is tall girl friendly. I am comfortable putting on the heels in this and it's still like fit right.
Yes.
It's good for tall people. I'm what, 5'8", 5'9"?
Yeah, I'm
and yeah.
Guys, we're gonna show y'all the next look. Alright, we're trying to do this before it gets dark. Alright guys, so oh, I love you realize the colors are interchangeable.
Yes.
Because you have on, we have the opposite, and you have on the opposite.
Yes.
Oh, wow, this is cute.
And then to me, I have a jacket like this, you know.
Oh, you do?
Blue.
Oh.
That has these buttons come down.
Yeah, I like it. The first jacket I have was this.
Yeah, I have a blue jacket like that.
This is the next look from Halara.
Corporate.
Yes, it's giving. It's giving.
Corporate vibe.
We got the corner offices.
Overlooking the sea.
Someone call my secretary. Alright guys, so this is the same jacket from Halara. Now, this top is also from Halara. It's a stretchy, breathable material that I love. Now, you know, you can pair this with any color that you like.
Nice color.
As well as the pants are from Halara. So Monique and I are wearing the same type of pants.
But different color.
Yes.
So this is a green.
And the guys, this material is a little bit thicker, I think.
It's thicker.
Yeah. So like to show you how much stretch, it still has stretch, you know, but
it's stiff.
Yes, it's
not in a bad way.
It holds you.
It holds.
So this one holds you way more, you know.
Right.
A matter of fact, guys, I am actually wearing a size small in these pants. Monique is wearing an extra large. Now this is fitting me way closer. I like how the medium and the small fits, but I like my clothes to have a little bit more room, so that's why I tend to go for a little bit bigger. Although y'all always tell me, Jordan, your pants is bigger than. I'm like, okay. These pieces that Halara sent me, they are not see-through at all, so you don't have to worry about that. You know, you don't want to be exposing yourself in any way in the office. So yep, these are quality pieces, okay guys, and of course the price is good too, because if you should get like a tailor-made piece, y'all know there's a lot of cost for that, but you're getting the same look, you're getting an even better quality material, and we're an experience from the Halara, because y'all know they focus on catering.
Right, this is serious.
Listen to the wind. Listen to the wind. Definitely cater to getting the Halara woman looking as cute and as comfortable as possible. So this is the next look from Halara. Now we are wearing the same skirt. Monique is in extra large. I am in, I think it's a medium or a large.
It has a cute split.
Right there. But I paired this with a regular turtleneck Monique, and I love the, what is this? It's more of a, what do you call it? What green is this?
Green.
Army green.
Army green. A fall green.
Yeah, guys, listen. This look would be be so cute for fall. Like imagine this, and you have some cute little boots, Monique.
Little brown,
dress it up.
Shoes, you're good.
Yes, Halara pieces, guys. They have a wide variety of different pieces to cater to everyone's different design preference, or you know. Now, I would actually wear this to work, Monique. Like,
of course,
you know, put on my little cute wear. And matter of fact, this might be what I wear in this upcoming week. Because I'm like,
yes, it's really nice. This is my favorite piece. I love this.
Yeah, this skirt material
looks really nice.
Yes, and as I said, guys, it is nice quality material. It's not see-through. Halara.
Keep in.
Okay.
Feel nice.
Yes, the high-waisted goes all the way down
to your calf.
Yeah.
Below. Right here.
Oh, this one doesn't have pockets at the front, but I do have the pockets at the back. This material is so warm and nice. It's a soft piece of this. I have actually worn this jacket already because I wore it last week, I think, when it was a bit cold. Show you guys, it is nicely constructed.
Oh, I love it.
You like it?
Here, the thing at the side.
Oh, this,
it's very fashionable. Right. I love it.
I'm like, I feel like a cheerleader. I'm like,
cheerleader, yes.
Now we're done with corporate wear. We're now on to active wear, and the top is from Halara. Now, I've always wanted one of these workout shirts that you can push your thumb through. I love it. It's cute. And of course, the skirt is Halara as well. I think the tag probably should need to put it. The skirt is Halara. Now it's a cute little mini skirt, and of course, it comes with the shorts.
It's really nice.
Yes,
I love the design
like it.
of it.
Yeah, right?
Love
now this, if I'm going to the gym, this would be it. This would definitely be one of my favorite for a quick little workout, you know. Guys, let me know what piece is your favorite, what piece you would wear. You know, Monique and I want to hear you see y'all down in the comment section of the video, okay? A next stop from Halara. This is a casual top. You know, you go into the gym, you're going to run any quick little errand, you just grab out a cute little top. Now, I love the design of this. It's kind of gathered right. It's have like a gathered look right here, kind of ruched, and then it also has the same little design right here. Now, this is super cute. I could even wear this on a Friday with a jeans pants and a little, you know, cardigan or something. And yeah, these are such cute looks. Halara, thank you for hooking your girl up. Listen, y'all better check these links out because I promise you're gonna love these pieces. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you all in another YouTube video. Bye, guys.